Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing of these Extreme Blasts by Extreme Fireworks. These are supposed to be like rewraps of the Saber Magnums. It's just the store that I go to. Brand. So, this is what the box looks like. Packaging. Sides look like this. You got typical warning labels. Kind of shows you what they're supposed to do in a way, I guess. And then we'll lay it down and open it. And this is what the inside looks like. There's all 12 of the nicely foil wrapped shells. Take a look at the tube here real quick. The tube is cardboard. It has a clay plug in it. Pretty sturdy base. I don't think it's going anywhere. I'd still put some bricks on it, but it's pretty nice. Pretty solid tube. And then here are the shells. Pull one of them out for you. Here's the shell. The fuse is kind of weirdly wrapped up. It's kind of wrapped around the lift charge and then taped right here. So I don't know how difficult that is to get undone, but the shells feel really nice. The bottom's a little misshapen. Let's see, let's check out some of the other ones. Check out a gold one. Oh, this one feels heavy. Very nice shell. It's got this end up and it says, it says what it does. It has the effect labeled on the shells. Green Star Silver Coconut. Oh, Green Star Silver Coconut Core. There we go. And the blue one was Red Star Silver Coconut Core. Ooh, these are some nice shells. The silver one looks like Gray Blue Chrysanthemum. Great White Chrysanthemum. Let's see. I can't tell what that is. Something to red. Haven't seen the crackle though. It's my favorite effect. And then we have a red, white, and blue peony and green flash. So I'm assuming it's a green strobe. Blue, yellow peony. We got purple star white glitter. Brocade green. Crackling blue pistol, there we go. We've got a red, blue, white glitter. And the last shell, brocade to red. So overall, these seem like there's some pretty nice quality shells right there. I've never had the Saber Magnums before, so I'm not going to be able to like compare them, but they seem like they're pretty nice shells. Like I said, they were rewraps, so. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.